Hey loves, okay, my day may start off a little rough, but it always ends with a bang. Whether I'm doing some fabulous makeup, slaying some hair, or just doing some DIY, which I love the most. I have to throw in a little home decor, and hey, let's transform everything. I'm ready to whip this body into shape. So if you want to be here for the transformation and want to make transformations with me, subscribe and come along for the ride. It's just me, and this is the Epitome of London. Hey loves, it's your girl London, and I am back with another tutorial. Here is my client. She has alopecia, and here is her finish. Now, there are definitely the traditional techniques that you use when doing clients with alopecia. So I just want to show you what I do. So before we get to this picture, we had to start here. So let's get started.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
Now that everything is prepped, we're going to go ahead and position the lace. Now, because my client does not have a natural hairline, I'm actually going to use just a white pencil to outline where this lace should start at. Usually, if there is a hairline and you use your stocking cap would be the border to where you would actually lay your lace, which is maybe a centimeter or two in front of it. But because she doesn't have a natural hairline currently, I am now creating that border so that I know where to apply my glue and to be certain that I don't move too much forward or too far back.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Now that I've created my outline, I'm going to go ahead now and cleanse the area just to make sure that there's no oil or debris, because I did oil her scalp. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to apply my glue, making certain that I stay behind the white dots.
See me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling.
After I've laid my first layer of glue, I go ahead and remove the dots and then continue to layer the glue.
Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life.
glue has dried clear, I go ahead and lay the lace in place. And I know you can still see some of the dots, but that's actually on the lace and not on her scalp.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the
All right, loves, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I think she looks fabulous, and the glow she has is priceless. This look is everything. Now, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming through. I'm glad that you stopped by to show some love. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked anything that you saw here today. And if you're one of my A1s since day ones, y'all know how I feel about y'all. Thank y'all so much for the love and support. Also, don't forget to follow all of my social medias. I am on Instagram and also on Facebook, and right here, of course. So until next time, as you know, I'll see you soon. Bye, loves.
See it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase?